Hey everyone, today we have a Jeep Grand Cherokee with a major voltage issue. This low voltage has caused a massive flood of error codes across multiple systems. To fix this, we are using the powerful Launch X431 Pro 3 link diagnostic scanner. First, we will run a complete full system health report to scan every single module and read all the stored diagnostic trouble codes. Look at all these codes. Because they are mostly triggered by the voltage drop, we need to clear the slate. Next, we are going to perform a full DTC clear to wipe out all the temporary history codes. Once the system is completely cleared, we will rescan the vehicle. This crucial step separates the fake voltage codes from the actual permanent faults. Now we can pinpoint the exact remaining issues and start the real repair. But wait, clearing the codes is just the first step. When a vehicle suffers from severe voltage drops, it triggers a chain reaction. A critical issue we often see next is the CAN bus system going offline, meaning the vehicle's internal computers lose communication with each other. Because of this communication breakdown, vital safety systems like the ABS will completely shut down or malfunction. Dashboard warning lights will pop up everywhere. If your voltage is unstable, the sensors send corrupted data, leading to sudden vehicle stalling or unpredictable electronic failures. As our next step, we must perform a live data analysis to monitor the network voltage stability. We will inspect the alternator, check for bad ground connections, and ensure the battery holds a proper load under stress. We need to fix the root network communication issue before we can safely get this car back on the road. Let's dive deeper into the diagnostics.
ولا هو كده على طول هو يشوف ورشة خلاص. خلاص كويس الحين الحمد لله تمام.
All right, now we are diving into the live physical inspection. First, we hooked up our multimeter to check the alternator's charging output. It shows an unstable current, meaning the alternator is struggling. Next, we checked the body ground wires and found heavy corrosion on the main chassis ground. This rust increases resistance and completely drops the voltage to the CAN bus line. We thoroughly cleaned the ground terminals and secured the connections. However, the battery load test failed because the internal cells were already damaged by the improper charging. So we installed a brand new heavy-duty battery. After starting the engine, we ran a final full scan using the Launch X431 Pro 3 link. Look at that. All systems are now green, showing no fault codes. The communication is restored, the ABS light is gone, and the vehicle is fully healthy. That's how a simple voltage drop can mimic a huge computer failure. Mission successful.